Hello, good morning to everyone who is watching. This video is for people who work long hours a day, who feel tired, who are stressed up, who have lack of sleep, who have general fatigue even when they wake up from sleep, and who sometimes have indigestion problems with like bloating stomachs and all that. I have a small tip for you, and I just have two ingredients. For those who you've seen videos where people are mixing baking soda, honey, and apple cider vinegar. You can mix you take baking soda individually, and you need to consult your doctor because it can increase your sodium level if you take it so much. You can take honey and apple cider vinegar, all right? And that's what we're going to do today. So here with me here is my natural apple cider vinegar, okay? And this is a tip that I've really seen on so many social medias, and I made some research about it. Okay, let me take a spoon, and then I have to take like, okay, see, this is a teaspoon. Don't take it too full of apple cider vinegar because too much of it also is dangerous to your acidity level in your body. And then the second one you want to take is the honey. You can see, let me tell you some tips about honey. This is natural. If you want to buy natural honey, you can buy it from Africa and some South Asian countries, and you should buy it at the local market or for people who tap it directly from the beehives. This is natural. A tip about natural honey: if you want to check if it's natural or not, if you take a piece of paper, you put it inside and you see it's wet on the other side of the paper, then there has been some dilution on that honey. So you're going to take a full teaspoon of honey. You see the way it is? Very good. Okay, and then you put inside the cup. Put inside the cup. Here's my mixture. You mix it gently until it's good. Okay, you can see it's well mixed. I advise you not to put water so that it can be very, very effective. Okay, and then you take it. Now, what does this do to your body? Beg your pardon. It actually neutralizes. You know, there are some food that when you eat them, it bumps up your sugar level in your body. It actually balances the electrolytes in your body and make you more healthy and strong when you want to start off the day. If this tip was good for you, kindly share this video, kindly follow my page so that any good information we can share together. Bye bye, have a nice day.